Hi, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're talking about the Starboy Mesh Boot from Falco. Okay, the Starboy boot from Falco. Absolutely beautiful product, bought in for those hot summer days. So you've got full mesh panelling on this, that's your main feature of this boot. You've got mesh panelling up the front, around the sides, and on the inside as well. So you're getting loads of airflow through this for those summer months. People say, breathable membranes, all that sort of thing. When it's really hot, you're not going to be getting airflow through the boot if you've got a membrane in there. You need to have some mesh panelling, something that's going to allow the air to flow straight through. So even though in the UK it rains a lot, you still get some summer days where you want to get a load of airflow through to your feet, you're not getting sweaty feet. So that's your main feature of this product. But there are other features, even though it looks like a sort of basic trainer, it's not. It's a motorcycling boot, CE approved, it's got all the ones on the CE approval, so you are going to get a protected boot. First thing I'm going to talk about is oil and water resistant sole. So you've got good traction on the bottom, it's not going to slip on the oil and the water, so you've got good product on there. As you can see from the sole as well, they've got an insert in there. So it's not going to be able to be crushed this way. So if the bike does fall on you, your foot's protected in this direction. Obviously this way it's still going to turn so you can change gear and use the brakes, so it's a nice quality product around there. PU insert over the top, so a small bit of protection around the toe area. Heel and ankle, as you'd expect from a motorcycle boot, protection as well. Lace system on the front, and you've got an inner bootie as well for comfort. So that's just pulling everything off your foot, nice neoprene material, going to be in an inner bootie stitched into the top, so you get a nice load of comfort around there, and it's also got a pull tag at the back for easy access. So that's the Falco Starboy's boot, absolutely fantastic product, great for the summer months. Go to Bikerheadz for any more information, like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.